Also developing tonight, civil rights attorney Ben Crump now threatening to sue the governor over the state's rejection of an AP African American Studies course.
Earlier this month, the State Department of Education sent a letter saying the course will not be offered in Florida schools. News 6's Jerry Askin is live in studio with the details on this. Jerry.
Lisa, Matt, good evening. Florida still requires the teaching of African American history, but the state says the course as is violates state educational guidelines. But at a press conference today, folks in Tallahassee say they disagree and are calling on the state to give students a choice statewide to take this course.
Are we going to let Governor DeSantis or anybody exterminate black history from the classrooms of Florida?
As civil rights attorney Ben Crump announced his intent to file a lawsuit against Florida for rejecting a pilot AP African American Studies course.
Black history is American history.
3 students, surrounded by supporters and state lawmakers, spoke out about why they say the course should be approved by the state and offered as a choice for students statewide.
As a black kid in Florida, I have realized that I have not learned much about the history or culture of my people outside of my parents and close relatives.
The State Department of Education rejected the pilot course this month, saying the course lacked educational value and said it violates state law. Their course concerns included things like intersectional language and activism, black queer studies, the Black Lives Matter movement, and more.
They have stuff about intersectionality, abolishing prisons. That's a political agenda. And so that's the wrong side of the line for Florida standards.
The College Board said it'll be issuing a revised course, which was part of a plan before the state made its decision, all based on feedback and contributions from those pilot high schools.
To me, it boils down to anti-black racism and white supremacy.
Dr. Robert Patterson is an African American Studies professor at Georgetown University. He's also the co-chair of the development committee for the pilot course.
Are you offended by Governor DeSantis saying that it lacks educational value?
I do think that it is a bit annoying that people who are not experts in this field have decided and think they can decide what has value, what has integrity.
And that professor who helped make that course is weighing in more here at 6 o'clock. The revised AP course is set to be out next Wednesday, the first day of Black History Month. The State Department of Education just released a statement calling today's press conference a, quote, publicity stunt. You can read their full statement right now at clickorlando.com.